Hey, what's up car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today we're going to talk about one of the most legendary trucks in history that has just been reinvented for the future, the Ford F-Series pickup truck 2026. For decades, the F-Series has dominated the truck world with unmatched sales, performance, and reputation. Now, in 2026, Ford has taken its most successful lineup and elevated it with groundbreaking technology, advanced powertrains, and bold styling that ensures it remains the king of the road. The 2026 Ford F-Series is designed to be tougher, smarter, and more versatile than ever before. From the outside, it's impossible to ignore the bold stance and aggressive styling. The front fascia features a massive grille with striking LED headlights that not only provide superior visibility but also give the truck a futuristic presence. Aerodynamic touches improve efficiency while maintaining the rugged design that drivers expect from an F-Series. It's a perfect combination of tradition and progress, appealing to longtime fans while capturing the attention of new buyers. Power has always been the heart of the F-Series, and the 2026 model continues that legacy with a variety of engine options. Traditional version 8S are still available for those who demand raw strength, while turbocharged V6 engines offer an efficient balance of performance and fuel economy. Ford has also expanded into the future with hybrid and all-electric models, delivering incredible torque, instant acceleration, and the ability to handle heavy towing loads without compromise. The electric F-Series especially showcases Ford's vision, with an impressive range and advanced charging capabilities that make it practical for work and adventure alike. Step into the cabin and you'll immediately notice how far trucks have come. The interior of the 2026 F-Series is both luxurious and functional, featuring premium materials, spacious seating, and a technology-packed dashboard. The centerpiece is a massive infotainment screen that gives access to Ford's latest software, offering navigation, entertainment, and seamless smartphone integration. Wireless connectivity, voice control, and over-the-air updates ensure the system stays modern. Safety and driver assist technologies like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras make this one of the safest trucks you can buy. When it comes to capability, the F-Series remains unbeatable. With enhanced suspension, stronger frames, and improved towing systems, it can handle tough tasks with ease. Ford's advanced trailer assist features make towing simpler and safer, giving drivers confidence whether they're hauling construction equipment, boats, or recreational gear. The 2026 F-Series is engineered to perform in all conditions, whether on highways, city streets, or off-road trails. What truly sets this truck apart is its versatility. It's powerful enough for professionals who need a dependable workhorse, comfortable enough for families seeking a safe and spacious vehicle, and advanced enough for technology lovers who want the latest innovations. Ford has managed to create a truck that appeals to nearly every type of driver, ensuring the F-Series continues its reign as America's best-selling pickup. The 2026 Ford F-Series pickup truck is more than just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what a truck can be. It blends strength, intelligence, and style in a way that ensures it will remain a leader in the market for years to come. Ford has honored its history while building a future-ready machine that proves why the F-Series has become a legend. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Ford F-Series 2026. If you enjoyed this review and want more content about the latest cars, trucks, and automotive trends, make sure to subscribe to Car Trend, leave a comment below, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts. The future of trucks is here, and it looks unstoppable.